Let's look at HiTools Delivery, the free software that Hikvision provides to help installers manage and configure Hikvision network products. HiTools Delivery lets you batch update firmware with convenience. The main benefit is that it does over-the-air updates, or OTA for short. Means you don't have to find the firmware manually, HiTools Delivery does that for you. In this demonstration video, we'll be using 4 identical cameras. We highly advise for all our Australian customers to download HiTools Delivery from the Hikvision ANZ website. Check the Hikvision website for computer and OS specification. Currently, HiTools is for Windows-based computers. If you already have HiTools installed and correctly set up, ensure it's the latest version. However, HiTools needs to be set up and the devices configured before you can do any firmware updates. Once you have installed HiTools Delivery on your computer, launch it and you'll see this home screen. From the home screen at the top here, we've focused on the device management section. Our goal is to add in the devices, be it cameras, intercoms, recorders, into device management. It should auto-populate any Hikvision network devices that are already on the network that your computer is connected to. If you can't see any devices or the wrong devices, it's most likely because you're not on the correct network. Consult the network manager for further site network assistance. On the left side, select the devices you want to update. Next, we click on the icon on the bottom left, Add to Device List. There will be this screen pop up and you'll need to enter the admin password of those devices. For this example, these devices are using the same admin password. Yours will vary. If you have the right password, HiTools will take a few seconds and then confirm that the devices are added on the device management page. Next, we'll navigate to the top left and choose this icon called Device List. Selecting this separates just the specific products we just added into our device list. It's important you check that the network status of all your selected devices are online. Next, we navigate and click on Maintenance section. A new tab screen will open up called Maintenance and Security. On this tab, click on Upgrade along the top here. Here on this page, you'll see your added devices. But first, read the warning message as firmware upgrades carries risks. Now we will select few of our same model IP cameras. By selecting the checkbox on the side, then navigate and click on Check for Upgrades. This process may take a few seconds for the HiTools to fetch the available firmwares. Here we can see that there are firmwares that are available for our selected cameras. Now we can proceed to upgrading these cameras. Press Upgrade Online. We can see that the task has been added to the task list where we can monitor the upgrade process. We can see that the upgrade status has changed to Succeeded, and we can see that the firmware version of our cameras is to the latest. If you're in security or electrical trade, you can sign up for an account on our trade website, ness.com.au, where you can get manuals, part numbers, and place an order for any of the parts in this video. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in our next video.